What is good? It is your boy, The Session, and I am here showing you the best tool that's going to help you discover what option plays you need to get. Now, a lot of y'all wanted 2x, 3x your option plays. This is a no-brainer tool that we're going to use. This is called Trade Hero from Cheat Code Algo. This is a straight to video. We ain't got no fancy edits, none of that. We getting straight to it. So what I'm going to do is every day is my goal. Y'all hold me accountable. Make videos showing you what option calls this thing shows us, and it sends it out via text. So if you got Netflix, you got Hulu, you got Gucci, you got Jordans, that means you can afford this because this is just $1 per day. You see what I'm saying? And if you click below in the description, you actually can get a trial to use Cheat Code Algo. They got an 18,000 person Discord, etc., etc., etc. All right, so this is how we going. I'm going to simply read out some of the option plays that they say, and then I'm going to see if it went up or not, and then you're going to let me know in the chat if you're going to get into it. What do you think about it? Because this is going to take the technical analysis and all the search away from us. All we have to do is simply look at the text and see, do I want this or do I not? So you see I have here my public portfolio pulled up right here. Obviously, we don't do options on public, but I just want to show you my port. You see what I'm saying? We took some profits from Mara. Boom. So that's the portfolio. As you see, it's beautiful. So we got 3,500 in there. This was saying that we should get for long swing calls on uranium miner Camco Energy. So this is ticker symbol CCJ. So let's type that up top. This is going to be a straight to the point video, people. So now you see here that we have Cameco. This right here is a uranium. What do? They mine uranium. Okay, so as you see, look at the market cap on this, $21 billion. This is telling us to get a $34 call. Now, what I'm going to do is open my Robinhood app here on my phone, and then I'm going to show you on the screen exactly what we get. So this here, CCJ, open it up. We go to trade, we go to options. Now, when we go to options, this is saying this is a $34.60 call. So you follow along on your phone. This is a long swing, so that means we're going to take it 3 to 4 months out or longer. Okay, you're welcome. So we are looking at, let's do March 15th. And if you wanted to get this call, it is about $1,300. So let's see it right there. Can y'all focus in? Can y'all see that? It's about $1,300. And now what I'm going to do is show you here on the screen. One, this play was called out yesterday. So I'm going to show you, did the stock go up or down today? And I'm going to show you how much money you would make if you were to buy one of these option calls. So let's say you purchase one for $1,300. Once this stock crossed literally $49.60, which is not far off because right now it is $48.81. Once it crossed, you would start making hundreds of dollars. And as you see right here, over $500 once the stock gets to $55. You're looking at about $600. So that's the play. This is a $36 call. I put the expiration date for March 15th. And today the stock went down a bit. So therefore, if you're looking to enter this play, you let me know if you like it or not. This is taking the thinking out of it for us. It gives multiple plays that you can choose. You just pick the one you like the best. Again, this is Trade Hero from Cheat Code Algo. Let me know what you think of this play. Tomorrow, I come out with a fresh new play. We're going to see how the market's performing. And if you want all these tools, make sure you click the description below. Like the video, share the video. We going up in the algorithm. I'm tapping in each and every single day. Until next time, people, stay healthy, stay awesome, stay lit. You did.